Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaros. The early ring update to version 2503 of MCM has been released. I'm going to show you how to enable the early ring updates as well as install this 2503 update. Okay, so first things first, go ahead and log into all of your VMs. I've already done that, so I didn't want to bore you. And then we're going to go to our Configuration Manager server. Let's open up Edge from the taskbar. And we're going to see what's new in the current branch 2503. Okay. You can read all about the new enhancements, etc., known issues. Okay. We already have updated our Visual C++ redistributable to the latest version, so we're good there. And we are using SQL Server 2022, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay. We're going to go for our checklist here for updating. And the script only adds your site to the early update ring for version 2503. It's not a permanent change. So each time a new early ring update comes out, you'll have to install that. Okay. So we'll go down here. We'll look for the version 2503 opt-in script. We'll click on that. You'll see it downloaded. Okay. Click open file. Just click OK here. Click OK. Extraction is complete. Close that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to right click on our terminal and open up Windows PowerShell. Okay. It will tell you that you should use version 5.1 and not 7.5. Okay. Go ahead and go here and change this to your first.last.adm for your ADM account. Okay. And I'm going to copy from 42 up to 38. Paste that there. And the command completed successfully. Now we're just going to remove those leftover files, just like that, and exit. Now we'll open up Configuration Manager console for the taskbar. Give that a few moments. We're going to go to Administration. We're going to expand our site configuration. Click on Sites. Then up here at Hierarchy Settings, click on that. We're going to go to Client Upgrade. And right here where it says Upgrade all clients in the hierarchy using Production Client, we'll click that. We'll click OK. Automatically upgrade clients within. I'm going to put 1 day, but don't worry, we're going to be speeding that up a little bit for our installation. Then click Apply, then OK. Okay. Then we're going to click, then right-click Updates and Servicing. Okay. Then we're going to say Check for Updates. Click OK. I'm going to right-click on Start, Run. We're going to do a timeout here of 10 minutes. So 600 seconds. Click OK. And I'll come back when that's ready to go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. So let's click on Monitoring. We're going to go to Updates and Servicing Status. We're going to expand here. You're going to see Configuration Manager 2503. We're going to verify that it says available. We're going to close Configuration Manager. And then we're going to do a right-click on CM01, and we'll do a restart. Okay. I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, we're back. Let's Control-Alt-Insert. Let's log in. Yep. Let's do that one more time. Alrighty. Give that a moment to log in. We're going to right-click on Start, Run. We're going to do 120 seconds here. And we'll come back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. We're here on line 115. So we're going to open up Configuration Manager console from the taskbar. Give that a moment. There we go. Now we'll go to Administration. click on Updates and Servicing. Verify that Configuration Manager 2503 is here and that it's ready to install. We're going to click, then right-click on it. We'll say Install Update Pack. Give that a moment. Go here. We're going to ignore any prerequisite check warnings. Next. Next. Upgrade without validating. Next. I accept these license terms and privacy statement. Next. We're going to uncheck the Enable Cloud Attach. Next. Next. Give that a moment. Close. And now what we're going to do is we're going to wait about 15 minutes, so 900 seconds. I'll come back when that's ready, and I'll see you in a few minutes. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're going to click on Show Status. We're going to right-click here. Click on Show Status again. And you're going to see this going on here. What we're going to do is we're going to wait about another half an hour. Okay, you got to be patient with these things, right? We'll come back as soon as that is done. All right, see you then. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to click refresh. There we go. Looks like the install went pretty good. Post install is almost there. It says turning on features. So we're going to click OK, and we're going to close Microsoft Configuration Manager here. I'm going to right-click on this icon and click Unpin from Taskbar. And the reason I'm going to do that is because this icon will no longer work. So we're going to then click on Configuration Manager again. Okay. This should say from Start menu. So a new version is available. Click OK. I'm going to put Start menu. I'll re-upload that. Okay, and I'll give that a few moments to open. I'll be right back. Okay, and it's reopened, so we'll click on Start. We're going to look for Configuration Manager Console, right-click, and we're going to pin to Taskbar. There we go. So there it is. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Software Library, Application Management, Packages. We're going to right-click, then right-click our Configuration Manager client, update distribution points, and click OK. Then I'm going to go down to Administration. I'm going to expand Site Configuration. Go to Sites. I'm going to click on PS1 CM Lab Headquarters. I'm going to go, excuse me, right-click, Client Installation Settings, Software-Based Update here. Click Yes. You can see the published version and the available version, so we're going to click Apply and OK. Now what we'll do is we'll go to Software Library. We'll expand our software updates. We're going to click, then right-click on All Software Updates and click Synchronize Software Updates. Click on Yes. I'm going to right-click on Start, click Run, and I'm going to go to our log here, our WSUS Sync Manager log, and we'll wait until it comes up with starting WSUS synchronization. It says performing sync on local requests, so I'll come back when that's at that screen. Okay, and we can see it says start. There we go. We got both of these here. So starting WSUS synchronization. Now we're just waiting for done synchronizing, which shouldn't take too long since we're already done with our you can see here it says done synchronizing WSUS server, SIM0 lab. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to wait for sync succeeded. So it sleeps for 2 minutes. So we'll come back when we see the wait for sync succeeded. Okay. Be right back. Okay, sync succeeded, setting sync alert to canceled state on site PS1. That's what we're waiting on. We close CM Trace here. Now what we're going to do is go to Administration. We're going to click, then right-click here. Go to Client Installation Settings, Soft-Based Update Client Installation. Now we can see that the published and available versions match. Okay, that's what we wanted to verify. Click OK, then close Configuration Manager. Then what we're going to do is we're going to right-click Terminal, the taskbar, go to Windows PowerShell. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to install our newest client. Okay, so from CM01, of course, it's local. So we're going to go here, copy these two lines, just like that. And of course, we'll click on Details. And then on all other VMs, we're going to right-click on Terminal, go to Windows PowerShell. I'm going to do the same thing on all of them, okay? Right-click, Windows PowerShell. There we go. CA01. We'll go to TS01. PC001. And PC002. Okay? And these ones, of course, we're using the share. So we'll go here, copy these two lines, go to DC01, press enter there, and details. Do the same thing on all of these, all right? There we are. CA01, TS01, PC001, and PC002. There we are. Now we'll go up to DC01. What we're doing is we're waiting for CCM setup. Okay. Now what we're waiting also on is CCM exec and CMRC with the remote control service to disappear. And then they'll be reappearing. Takes a while. And then we'll wait for CCM setup exe to disappear. And once that's done, we'll do a 60-second wait. We'll reset our services and open up Configuration Manager from our control panel and verify that the version has been updated. Okay, so I'll come back as soon as these disappear and CCM setup is gone. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Just a reminder, this will take a little while because what it's got to do is it's got to remove the old version and then install the newest version. Okay, so be patient, just like with everything else. All right, I'll see you in a little while. Okay, we're back, and it looks like all of these have gone. Wait for CCM to disappear. It has done so. We're going to close Task Manager here. Okay, good. There we are. CM01, good. That's fine. Program installed correctly. Good. Good. And good there. Let's do a 60-second wait here. And I'll come back as soon as that's done. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There we go. So let's copy from 282 up to 278 for our services. And opening up our control panel applet for Control Manager. There we go. Config Manager. There we are. Open these up. And good to go there. Let's look at we're going to verify that our assigned management point's good. PKI, SMS PS1, and then 9135-1001. Let's look at our actions tab. They're all good there. Click OK. Same thing here. Good. Actions. Okay. We're good there. Actions are good. Same. Good. All right. Actions. Good. Perfect. Good. All righty. Here we are. And one more. Looks good. All right. So now we can note the MCM version on the desktop here. You see the client version is 9132-1023. Okay. And Same thing on all of these. I'm just going to grab this and move it over just so I can see the end of that on all of these. Okay, just like that. Down here, that down, and last two here, just so I can see them. Okay, so on PC 001 and 002, we're going to copy that, go here, paste, notice the version number, press enter, and now it's 91351001. Do the same thing here, perfect. And now the rest of these on the servers, I'm going to start here, enter, it changed. There we go. Remember, it's grabbing that from the registry. Okay. Perfect. Love it when a plan comes together, right? There we are. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to run our invoke actions on all of the VMs, okay? That way we just have a clean slate. Press enter. Do the same thing on all of these, okay? Enter. There we go. Perfect. Enter. And one more. There we go. Perfect. Now we're going to go to CM01. We're going to open up Configuration Manager console from the taskbar. Give that a moment. We're going to go up here to the drop-down box. We're going to go to About Configuration Manager. And we're going to verify 2503. Console version is good. Site version is good. Click OK. We're going to go to Assets and Compliance. Go to Devices. Verify we have all green check marks for our clients. And that looks great. Okay. Now we're going to start from the bottom. And we're going to power off all of these. So power, shut down guest, all from the bottom. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove our old snapshots and create new snapshots. Okay. So you remember in our previous videos, we created a snapshot for our initial setup, right? We're going to remove those. Okay. Once that's all done, you can see we're going to right click on each one, go to Snapshot Manager. You'll see that here, right? And you'll see the initial setup. We're going to click Delete. Give that a moment. And then we'll take a snapshot. We'll call that 2503 Early Ring Install Snapshot. So we can copy this. All right. And I'll come back when that's up. There it goes. Okay. So just click Take Snapshot here. Paste that there. Take Snapshot. Click Close. And I'm going to do that for all of these. And I'll be back when that's ready. Okay, now that you've done that on all of your VMs, you should see down here, Snapshot. We have our Early Ring install snapshots on all of our VMs, okay? Now we're going to power these on a particular order, so we always start with DC01, then DC02, power up our Configuration Manager server, our gateway, and then all other VMs can be powered on right after that, okay? So let's start that. So first things first, power on this virtual machine. We'll come back when that is at the logon screen, and I'll see you in just a few moments. Okay, and now we'll power on DC02. Come back when that's ready. Okay, and now we're going to put on our Configuration Manager server. Now the DCs are the ones that take the longest to come up. The rest of the servers should come up pretty quick. So I'll be back in a few moments. There we go. And now the gateway. Give that a few moments. Like I said, the rest of them usually come up pretty quick after that. Okay. And what we'll do is now CA01, you can power that on. TS01. and PC001 and PC002. Okay. That a moment. And there we go. Okay. And as soon as all of those are at the logon screen, I'll come right back. Okay, let's verify. There we go. And they're all at the logon screen. Good. Now what we'll do is on our host, we're going to right click on start, run. We're going to do a timeout of 120 seconds. We'll come back when that's ready. I'll see you in a few moments. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now we're just going to log into all of them. So go ahead and do that. I'll come back when that's ready. And one more. There we go. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to invoke our actions. There we go. So right click here, Windows PowerShell. We're going to do that on all of these. Good. Okay, we'll copy from the end of 410 to 408. There we go. Paste. Let it run those actions. And just press enter at the end to exit. Perfect. Enter. Enter. All the way down here. Okay, enter. Now let's go to CM01. We're going to open up Configuration Manager from the taskbar. Give that a moment to open. We'll go to Assets and Compliance, Devices, and verify that we're all green. Looks good? Okay. And that's pretty much it for the install of 2503. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, let me know. I'll see you in the next video.